Mavuno Church Waiyaki Way is a good church. I know about Mavuno, but I had not known about their branch. I came to know them through an alumni. We partnered and started with a PPI class. That is on Friday morning. Every Friday they visit us, they talk to the learners, they take them through the PPI lesson. It has really assisted our learners to improve socially and even spiritually. Personally, when I see the love they have for our learners, it just makes me feel have that passion of also loving the church. Most of the PPI teachers, let me call them now teachers, they are from very young university students. They have a passion for the word of the Lord, and I thank God for that. Most of the members are professionals. That was also amazing. They are professionals. They come in for the lesson, then go to their businesses, and also they go to work. I also learned something new from them, that I can go serve the Lord and also come to work. Actually, part of my family members have joined Mavuno Church. My son and the wife are now with the Mavuno Church in Kitengela, and we have learners who have also received the salvation. They have given their hearts to Christ, and maybe there are about 100 who are serious and they know exactly what they need their lives to be with the Jesus Christ. The cleanup was done on a Saturday. They did the cleaning of the washrooms. They were sparkling clean by Monday. They did a lot of scrubbing. So the cleaning was very thorough. It was good. We enjoyed it. And they also extended the hand of loving us by working on our floors. We had about 5 rooms which were having those very potholes. Classrooms were bad. That even as the learners are cleaning them, you'd sympathize with them. So they did the floors, very smooth. Then they also did some of the windows. There was some welding was done, and we feel good. We are happy about it, and we thank the Mavuno Church and the initiative. Currently, we have one young man, pastor, I normally call him Mizizi Pastor, from Mavuno Church. He wants to start the program with us, the Mizizi program. He gave us some books. That now he is done with his education. I'm sure in 2026, Mizizi will really get into Kabete in full force. I'll make sure that it is well established. That is Mizizi, I say back to the roots. That is the original church of Jesus Christ. Then I also had a young man, Mavuno is a church to be in. This is a bag. This is a member from the church who has given our learners several bags. So we are going to identify the very needy learners whom we have, and then we issue bags to them. And they have not forgotten the teacher. We no longer use pieces of chalk. We are now also upgrading ourselves. These are mark pens for the whiteboards in our classrooms. Basically, where our school is situated, we are situated in a place where we have several needy learners, and we really support them. Some of them are in medical conditions. Those who are in a position to partner with us, not to fear. We are so friendly, we allow them to come in. Like now, we are also going towards the preparation of the exams, the KIPSEA and the KIDSEA. For those who want to extend the hand of mercy, it's mercy of passion, to help us feed them. That's because during exam time, we like feeding them nice meals that they feel it is just not the normal meal as they are graduating to the next level. So we have so many areas in the school that need some partnerships. I want to thank Mavuno Church so well. I have gone to schools which have had partnership with Mavuno. It was always a prayer in my heart. I never knew that one time I would be in that position. And now I feel happy that Mavuno Church has partnered with our school. And then I would also let people know that kuokoka sio kuomboeka. You can be saved, and at the same time you can have fun doing the work of the Lord. And then at the same time with the Mavuno Church, may God bless you abundantly. These are professionals who understand the word of God. And we know the word of God God is not a respecter of persons.